What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Divhunt, a lightning-fast and flexible no-code website builder that lets you create limitless feature-rich websites in the blink of an eye. When it comes to building websites, there's the old way, and then there's the Divhunt way. First off, you can start with an empty canvas or choose from Divhunt's arsenal of professional templates. Just click a template to open the builder. On the left, you've got your layers panel, which is basically your best friend for asset organization. On the right, we've got the styles panel, the place where you can flex your design muscles, adjust the spacing, margins, padding, everything you could possibly need to customize your site is here for you. Modifying individual elements, that's basic. But Divhunt also lets you create classes and modify a bunch all at once. For example, all your H1 titles. Cool, huh? And did we mention the convenience of copy-pasting entire sections between different web projects? Yeah, it does that too. Has Divhunt got you drooling we're not done yet? Well, take a pause, grab a tissue, and click buy now to buy it now. Otherwise, sit back and listen to what else Divhunt has to offer. We're not done yet, folks. Ever hear of Loop? Probably not, because Divhunt is the only one that does it. Loop lets you duplicate layouts on the same page with consistent styling. You just got to switch up the content. You can view your style sheet and have your canvas open at the same time. No more switching back and forth. That means a speedier workflow. And since Divhunt creates single-page applications, switching between pages is instant. No refresh time whatsoever. None. Zero. Divhunt is perfect for those times when you want advanced features without learning any coding language. Create sliders, drop-downs, and accordion FAQ sections in a snap. Want your site to have even more tricked-out features? Divhunt comes with a range of plugins to help you level up your site however you want, with more being added all the time. This next part is for developers only, so if you're not a developer, just tricked out, I don't know, close your eyes or something. Okay, devs. Divhunt lets you create files inside of folders for CSS, JavaScript, whatever you want, okay? Just enter your code here and save. It's the perfect way to organize all your custom code. You can also create custom breakpoints, which should make debugging your code super easy. The point is, Divhunt is easy for anyone on your team, so make sure to grab this lifetime deal before it's too late. I am a developer. I use breakpoints probably more than anyone on the engineering team. This comes out, and I don't know what breakpoints are. And you see, I studied computer science at MIT. I'm going to do it one more time with what breakpoints are, alright?